When these come from the factory, they've just got a grab bar back here, and you can't really carry anything on it. This is the optional factory rack. Fits everything from 2016, excuse me, from 2016 forward on the Metropolitans. Like I said, this is a 2020. Pretty straightforward to put on, you know. It's not a seat. It doesn't carry tons of weight, but it's great to throw a milk crate on and get some extra cargo space or that kind of thing. Other thing it does have, and that's what made me think of it, is this grab handle here. And even when I have a crate on there, there's enough clearance to still grab that handle when you're pulling her back onto the center stand.